I think it would look even better with a hat. Oh, I don't know, maybe that's a little too farmer-ish. Why did that just take it to a whole nother level? Do you ever feel like you have a closet full of clothes but nothing to wear? I've been feeling like that the past couple weeks, especially as the weather has seriously chilled out here in Vegas. I feel like I'm in a wardrobe rut. I've been taking out my winter clothes and feeling uninspired about it. I don't want to spend a ton of money on a new winter wardrobe when I have so much here that I feel like I can really still get use out of. So in this video, I'm going to be shopping my closet and putting together new outfits from clothes that I already own. If you're new here, hi, I'm Miranda. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things budget, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds interesting to you, then become the newest member of the Slashed Squad by hitting subscribe and the bell icon. Hopefully I can inspire you to make use of what you already own, so let's just jump right into it. So the first thing I suggest you do if you are trying to mix and match new outfits from old clothes is lay everything out on the bed so you can visually see what might work together. So I just laid out all my tops, all my bottoms, as well as outerwear options and accessory options. So here are 10 outfits that I put together out of clothes I already own. Outfit number one. Now this is made up of pieces that I would never think to wear together, but I actually love the end result. And my goal for this outfit was to take this one piece of clothing that I would never think to wear in winter and really maximize it so that I could get use out of it this season. And that piece of clothing is this green t-shirt dress. So I love wearing this dress throughout spring and summer. It is from Amazon, a brand called Daily Ritual, which makes really great basic wear. And obviously this dress was not made for winter, so I layered it with this gray sweater, which has a cowl neck. It's a little bit loose around the middle, so it gives a very flowy appearance, and then accessorized with a scarf. And this is just a fun new way to wear these pieces. I never would have thought to pair them together, but having everything laid out in front of me really helped open those doors. Here's the second outfit. I am digging this vibe. It's very New York chic in my opinion. But again, I'm actually using a t-shirt dress from that same Amazon brand, which I will leave the links to below because I love these t-shirt dresses. But this time I did throw some tights underneath to give it more of a winter vibe and obviously to stay warm. But I think the statement of this outfit is definitely the tweed jacket. So this is actually a newer piece in my collection. I got it a couple weeks ago because I did not have a lot of outerwear options in my closet. I have one gray coat and then my denim jacket, and that was it. So I just wanted something a little bit more flowy and open and different. So this is a jacket that just stays open. We've got pockets as well. And then of course I accessorized with a hat, which I think is just an easy way to kind of add a cherry on top of an outfit. Also a great way to hide messy hair in the winter, especially if the wind is blowing. And with this outfit, you can even accessorate, that is not a word. And with this outfit, you can even accessorize further if you wanted to add a little bit of a waist belt to cinch and just add something to kind of break up the dark color. I think that adds kind of a nice little touch at the middle, do you think? Outfit number three, we have another dress as the foundation of the look. Now this dress actually has long sleeves, so I was already wearing it throughout fall and winter, but to add a little bit of a layered look, I added my denim jacket, as well as this big chunky blanket scarf. This was at the dollar spot at Target last year. I bought it for $5, and it's so big, it's cozy, it's warm. So with this, plus the jacket, plus leggings underneath or tights, there's no way you're gonna be cold in this outfit. I'm already getting a little warm. And I don't know, this outfit just reminds me of something I would see in like a clothing catalog during the winter time, especially with the red and green color combo. All right, for outfit number four, I'm actually still in the green dress from the previous one, but I'm gonna throw over this turtleneck. Now this is actually from Forever 21, and I'm not sure I quite understand what's going on with them, like if they were closing down, they were closing all their stores, I don't even know. But it is just this basic cable knit sweater with a turtleneck or mock neck, and yet again another way to add a skirted look to a winter outfit by using a dress under a sweater. The only problem with this one that I had was because the dress had longer sleeves, it was hard to like get them to stay smooth under the sweater's sleeves. So I feel like this layering technique does work best when the dress underneath has shorter sleeves. All All right, next outfit. Now I have actually paired this shirt with this fluffy jacket before. Now I thrifted this jacket, I think it was like $16, and I also thrifted the top, which is originally an express top. These pants are from Zaful. Now I haven't worn these pants as much as I would like to, and typically when I wear them, I let them be the statement of the outfit. I wear them with a black crop top, but this time I'm also wearing this statement jacket that's super fluffy, so I think that it's just kind of a fun, whimsical outfit for winter. But I'm digging it. I feel really cool in this. All right, we've got another appearance of the pink fluffy coat, and this is just an example of how I plan to make super simple outfits a little bit more exciting. So underneath, we just have this really simple M sweater. It was from Old Navy. I've got blue jeans. Honestly, kind of a go-to in winter is just a sweater and jeans. But to make it a little more stylish, if I'm going somewhere and I want to be a little more impressive, I've got my statement coat. I think having statement outerwear is just such an easy way to add something exciting to a look, and then my hat as a finishing touch, and this turns into something so much more than just a sweater and jeans. Another very simple outfit, very much a go-to uniform of mine, sweaters and black leggings. So these are actually a new pair of leggings. They are from the brand Matty M, which is available at Costco, and these leggings are my new favorites. They're long, they're thick, they're squat proof. You will not see anything if you bend over in these. And because I wear leggings as pants, that is important. This is another blanket scarf from Target. I bought it at the same time as the red one. And this sweater is from Jouer. It's cashmere. I love the coral blush pink color. So this is just kind of me playing around with accessories to jazz up something that I would already typically pair together as far as the sweater and leggings. Here's another outfit that gives me sort of New York vibes, and I would never think to pair these two together, but I have these lace pants, and they are kind of like business wear, a little bit more formal wear. So while I would consider the pants a little bit fancy or upscale, this cream colored turtleneck is actually from the grocery store. So here in Vegas, we have a grocery store called Smith's, which is called Kroger or Ralph's in other parts of the country, and they have their own clothing line called Dip. And they actually have really cute stuff. I did a whole haul just from this clothing line last year. I will link that video. But this turtleneck is just very basic, you know? It's like jersey, t-shirt type material, but paired with the hat and the pants, it really dresses it up, I think. And I have a thing for black and white outfits. I think they look super chic. So even though this is actually technically cream, it kind of gives that appearance. Now, would it be a winter outfit video without a flannel? I think not. Typically, before, the only way that I used to wear flannels was buttoned up about halfway or about to right there, and then with a white tank top or cami underneath. But now I'm starting to wear them more as outerwear if I don't need something heavier, or I can even put a heavier jacket over this too, and then show off something underneath that more so flatters my figure versus kind of a baggy flannel. So underneath here, we just have this mock neck tank top that I got over the summer at Kohl's. I think that this ends up looking a little bit more flattering for my body because you can see my curves with the flannel open instead of having it buttoned up. This would also be a great way to use bodysuits in the winter, just with a flannel over and some high-waisted jeans. And you know what? I think it would look even better with a hat. Oh, I don't know, maybe that's a little too farmer-ish. Why did that just take it to a whole nother level? Last outfit. Now this one I'll admit is a little bit more fall than winter in my eyes, but I wanted to see how the flannel worked with the dress that we wore earlier, the green one, and I think it looks pretty cute. So here I just tied the flannel in front with all the buttons open, and not only does it cinch my waist, but it gives me some good layering going on and covering my arms. Maybe if the colors were a little bit different, this would be more winter than fall, but the overall idea I think is a good way to, again, get use of the flannel, get use of the dress with or without tights depending on where you live and if you need the extra warmth. Tell me in the comments which was your favorite outfit and if you spotted any items that would work well together that I didn't pair. Today's shout out goes to Nancy. Thanks for being a member of the Slash Squad. And join me over in this video next, which was my last clothing haul from Shein. I'll see you over there. Bye.